Hola, Gbara. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome. Thank you for joining me. Thank you, guys, for joining me. All of you, God of men, children. That your finger. We they take flag my shoe. You won't make I tell you, say that finger, you know, go take and do better thing. Anyway, guys, welcome back. Let me just let us know that for now, our channel is under serious attack. I thought they have gone, but there are still so much on this channel. But nevertheless, we will do what we want to do. We'll continue to do what we are doing. And like I told you, what we are doing is yielding results. And that was why they could reduce 100 days fasting to, let me share with people on Facebook. They could reduce 100 days fasting to 30 days. It's as a result of what we've been saying. It's as a result of us crying out and say this is unfair. Just because people are religious, people cannot think on their own, people cannot process what you say, they trust and believe so much in you. Anything you say, they grab it and they live by it. In the process, people are losing their loved ones, people are having serious issues financially, health-wise, and all the rest. We say, no, we're not going to keep quiet. And when they talk, then they hear, and they are making adjustments. I want to say a very big thank you to one of our brother on this channel who started following the case of Chris Okafor. That our brother is based in Canada. Within few days, he don't do wonders for Canada concerning Chris Okafor case. I welcome you guys once again if you're just joining us. If you are not yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. And if you are here with us, please don't forget to click a like on this video. Join me. Now play, we come play. As we won't talk, if you go branch anywhere, if you branch reach any angle, as we do talk. Let me just quickly share with people on Facebook so they can join us on the live stream. All things being equal, the way things are, by end of this year, I might likely close my Facebook page. It's looking very likely. I can't cope with the stress of handling the 2 pages, not convenient for me. And I tried to get an admin. I don't know what's going on. The admin said he needed a phone. And I somebody that I trusted because he has done a lot of job for me. You know, without me being in Nigeria, I send him money and he does things. But on this particular occasion, he called me. He said he needed to buy a new phone. I said, how much is the phone? He said 180. I said, okay. I said, what I'm going to do is to give you 100,000. I'm not giving you. I said it's going to be like a loan. And every month I'll be taking 20,000 within 5 months. I just said that my mind was to give him the money, but I wanted to see how committed he's going to be. And he said, no problem. I said, okay. So I sent him the money to go and get the phone. After some days, I didn't see him do anything on the page. I told him what I wanted him to be doing so that I can take the stress off me. And it was to be on the salary of 100,000 every month. Yes. Hold on, guys, please. Hello, son. How was your day? Cabo. I'm fine. It's your call. 1 minute, please. So this is a relaxing video, so I'm not really on a particular topic, but I'm going to talk about Chris Okafor. That is why I put his picture there. I'm going to give us some updates on Chris Okafor. Okay. So I gave him 100,000, like I said, and you know, I said, okay, go and get the phone. Oh, 45 minutes. Okay. I will try and round up before then. I didn't know it's that close because I know people are going to watch the game. All right, so I gave him the 100,000 and I was expecting he would start. After some time, I didn't see him do anything on the page and I was wondering what was going on. Then I contacted him. I said, what is going on? He said, his phone. Who are they playing? We are playing, I think, Mizi Morocco we are playing also. He said he bought the phone, but the phone is having issues. I said, okay. He said he has taken it back, so he's waiting for them. I said, so which phone are you using to chat with me? He said he has a smaller phone that is managing. Okay. Anyway, like play. I don't know what's going on. Over 3 months now, before 4 months, no activity. Then I had to just quickly take him off my Facebook page so that since he says his phone is going up and down, before somebody will hack into the Facebook account, you know. So I quickly took him off until now. I thought this guy was my brother. I've not said anything about it. I've not heard from him. I see him active on Facebook. I saw my 100,000 take go. Share on Facebook. I don't know yet. For now, I'm just tired. You know, I'm getting tired. So I just want to be on YouTube, do my stream and just go. Anyway, thanks to our brother Jimmy Adekonye, who resides in Canada. So this Okafor saga, the man has been following it. Please, when it's 10 minutes to let me know. This Okafor saga, the man has been following the case. The man was one of the people who called in during Pastor Olutayo's case and said he was a member of his church before. So he has been following the case and something happened, but we are not bringing that out yet. So he told me that that Okafor has a branch in Canada. I said, really? He said, yes. He said, but they are going to make sure they bring his church down. As I'm talking to you as of this morning, Okafor's church in Canada has been closed down. That our brother promised, and he made sure his promise came to pass. Remember 2 or 3 days ago, I posted a video on Sunday when they went to his church and they took some recordings and they were doing some fake deliverance. Hey, please read something's comment. Oh, baby's comment. Okay, can you baby so? After taking him off, did you change your password? No, it was not on my page. You know, when you had people on Facebook, if you add them as moderator, they can't do much. They can only post. They can't change anything. So he has no access to all of that at all. So I've taken him off. My page is fine now. But it's just the stress of having to post, to write up and all of that. I'm getting tired. You know, because this live stream thing is not easy. It's not easy at all. So I don't want to kill myself. So as I'm talking right now, Okafor's church in Canada has been closed down. I posted a video where the brother came out. I mean, they went to record Jimmy White, I have a case for you and it's something serious. I need to expose it. Okay, you can contact me on +1. If you are ready, you can write the number down. +1 347 261 5455. Send me a message on it. So as I dey talk now, they don't close the church down, and there is evidence. The document is with me. I have seen it. The brother posted a part of it on the video. Let's listen to his video. So this is he's on Facebook as Jimmy Adekonye, JAF. So if you are looking for his page, he's seriously joining. In fact, he said they've been doing it too. So they are seriously on all these fake pastors, especially for Canada. He said if you are doing your fake miracle and all the rest, all the rubbish they do in Nigeria, don't bring it to Canada. Don't bring it to Canada. Already they don't get them for America. So I don't have the energy now. If you do that kind of wahala work, no be at this stage. I go camera for follow anybody where they won't back bay, no consign me. The awareness is enough for me. The little awareness I'm doing is enough job. So let's quickly watch. Okay, the number again, +1 347 261 5455. Okay, that's the number. You can come back, look at the minutes, then you come back in case you don't get it. So this brother, his name is Jimmy Adekonye, JAF. Just check him on Facebook. Let's listen. As I dey talk now, they don't close down his church in Canada. The story long, but we're never ready to bust everything.
Good morning to all my followers all over the globe. Today is the 14th of January 2026. As you're all aware, the episode or the drama that happened on Sunday, where I visited the Greater Liberation City International Ministry Center here in Toronto, Canada, which is owned by the controversial pastor Chris Okafor. And I made a promise that any gathering, any church that is coming to deceive the people, fake churches, will be dealt with. Anywhere they're doing fake miracle, here in Canada, we will make sure we go after them, because we will not allow them to bring that shenanigan that they are doing in Nigeria. Those magic they are doing in Nigeria, we won't allow them to bring such here to come and spoil our own reputations as Nigerians. Because you agree with me that we Nigerians here, we are hardworking people, and we will not allow one set of people in the name of Christianity to come and spoil our image here. We won't allow that. And I promise you that, guys, that we will not allow any church, any fake church to operate. I wish to tell you today that Greater Liberation City International Ministry Center, which is owned by Chris Okafor, operating here in Toronto, Canada, precisely in North York, 877 Allen Street, has been dissolved. As you can see here on my screen, that is the official document from the government of Canada dissolving the ministry. So, and we continue to go after others. They are using other address, that is 3100 Western Road 2, for this same ministry, which has been dissolved. By law, they are no longer existing here in Canada. And with this, we are calling on the immigration that Mr. Bashiru Igbano, now known as Pastor David Igbano, has to leave the country, because the work permit he's having with him was based on this ministry that has been dissolved, which means he can now no longer stay here in this country. He should go back to Nigeria with his miracle. Let him go back and start performing his miracle in their churches over there, not here in Canada. We will stand and defend our integrity here as Nigerians under the vineyard whistleblowers. That is what we are forming right now, and we are urging people to come and join us. We want to fight all these fake people It's going to be a worldwide gathering, a worldwide association that we are going to use to start fighting all these fake pastors all over. All those shenanigans they are doing to deceive people will not allow that to happen. And right now, we have succeeded in closing down Pastor Chris Okafor's church here in Toronto, Canada. Prince Olujimi Adekale is my name. Good morning.
So that is the video, and the group that is forming is a whistleblower or something about church. When I get all the details, if you want to be part of it, you will let me know, because I personally will join the group as well. Okay, I may not be able to do much physically, but I will join the group, whereby we have seen these people come to America too. They will say they are performing a miracle. Once we allow the government put their eyes on them, they too will be very careful. And for those people that are giving their documents, at the end of the day, hope they don't get you into trouble. You that you are putting down your document for them to come and settle down here, to come and start milking people, hope you will not get into trouble with your papers. Anyway, now this is the pastor he was mentioning. Let me put the picture of the pastor Bashiru. Where's the picture of Bashiru? Please, if you have to go and watch ball and come and join us later, because I'm not sure 45 minutes will be enough for us. I will try. So this is the pastor Bashiru, now turned to Pastor David. If many of you listen to the interview of Ebere's interview, where she mentioned that the pastor was a person she was dating before Pastor Chris Okafor started dating her. This is the guy, according to the information I got. Ebere mentioned his name, so this is the guy. So this guy, as you see him, will be going back to Nigeria very soon. His work permit is expired and cannot be renewed for some reason. When it gets to the time, the reason why his documents cannot be renewed will be made public. But he lied. But for now, it's still under wraps until when Brother Jimmy Adekanle is ready to expose the story. So they don't tell me the story, but it's not yet time to bring it out. Okay, I don't rush to do things because I am monetization. No. I allow things to be done the right way. They are really following me bumper to bumper. They don't like me, but they cannot stop following me. All of them are fighting for their God of me. Imagine what Okafor did. Imagine everything that happened in Nigeria happened in Canada or America here. You can see the difference between a working system and a system that is not working. You can see a difference, and many of you want Nigeria to be good, but you don't want us to talk. Many of you want Nigeria to be like Canada, to be like America, to be like UK, to be like Netherlands, to be like Australia, and all this Germany and everywhere. But you don't want people to talk about your favorites. Once a pastor is yours, don't talk about them. Thank you, Carola Day. Thank you, sis. Thank you. Don't talk. You see where system is working. On Sunday, this brother called me last week. We talked about this situation. He told me, he said, Auntie Aduni, we will be going there on Sunday. We want to see how much we can do. And between Sunday and today, look at the action within how many days. Document is out that they can't operate anymore as a church. Probably all they needed, all they submitted was every shenanigans on social media going on about them. And you see where it has landed. They say no more operation of their church. If they gather under the name of that, they cannot even gather. They have to do whatever they do legally. Now Canada then they. Anybody where help them do anything dubiously should be ready to go to jail. You see a system where things are working. Will you go and sleep with children? You will even that child where you call, where they put for altar, that is enough for social service to step in, to start asking questions from that girl. That is daughter Ebere. No, not Ebere. Sorry, I'm mixing the name now. Amara. That is daughter Amara that he was talking to. Somebody said some of you are the main problem. Okay, we are the problem. Thank you. Thank you. Can you tell me in what way we are the problem? By letting the government know that your pastors, what rubbish they do in Nigeria, they should not bring it to abroad. Are we the problem? Can you tell me? Oh, not me. Oh, okay. If you are writing, please write it well. Make we no mix and together. My sister. Thank you. Vivian Coker, thank you, sis. If you are going to write, make you help us write and well. So that no go mix, we no go jam picking together. You see a working system under how many days? And they say no more church for them. Now for Nigeria, pastor go do something. I tell you, say, my situation. I say your pastors cannot, your pastor, your general overseer cannot take me to court. Only in Nigeria, they can use DSS and police to harass me. For this place, I will be the one to take them to court for damages, for what they did to me. I will be the one to sue them for damages. And they go pay for damages. By the time I will get a lawyer, the way they did everything and asked me to leave the church will be saying that we take our money, leave down. Emma Jekon flag you. Emma Jekon, don't let them flag us. By the time I will go and report all those things with evidence, documents, receipts, I will win them in court and they go compensate me. I go sue for emotional damage. I go sue, say the thing where they do me, it make me